Now, once you have your article in OneNote, you can start taking notes. Now, as you're reading, it's often a good idea to highlight. A lot of people like to highlight and things. Some people like to make lists, but we're going to talk about highlighting. Give me 1 second. Can't make it draw. You can actually use your stylus if you're doing this here at school and highlight the things that you think are important. So as you're reading, its discovery in 1930, you can highlight the parts that you think are important so that you can go back later and put those on your white note cards, which we'll talk about in a different lesson. Okay, so that's how you save a Britannica article to OneNote, and how you find your source information, and how you take notes on it. So let's go back to our Pathfinder. Right here. We're in our Pathfinder, and we have another database called Gale, Kids Info Bits. Everything here works much the same way. We're going to open it. Give it just a minute. Here you're going to search your planet. Now, the part of Kids Info Bits that you want to focus on are the books. This is information taken from books, but it's not reading the entire book. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to just click on the first one. Here I have have some information about Pluto. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to print. It's already set, saved to OneNote, so I'm going to click that one. My OneNote icon is flashing, so I clicked it. Now I'm going back here. I'm going to go back to Sources and Notes, and I'm going to click OK. So now I'm going to call this one Source 2. Okay. But now I have to go back and do the same thing for my citation information. So I go back to the article. This time I'm going to click Citation Tools. Make sure it's in MLA. I'm going to highlight the information. I don't need the URL. It tends to automatically put the URL there, but we're going to delete it later. So right click, copy. I'm going to go back to OneNote, click up here, click paste, delete that very long URL. And again, I'm ready to read my article and take notes. Now, one thing to remember is before you move an article into OneNote, kind of skim it and see if it really has the information you need. It may not. All right, the last one I want to show you is Explora Primary. I'm going to open that one. Now, here you have to be a little more specific than you do with the other databases. So when you enter your planet, put planet and then the name of your planet. So I'm going to put planet Pluto. I'm going to hit enter, and I have my sources here. So I can click on one. I can do the same thing here. Now, when you print from here, one thing I do want to point out to you, when you click print, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. If you click print again, then you'll get the familiar format that you're used to. I'm not going to actually print this one because you should have the idea by now.